Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is yet another demonstration of ChatGPT on Google Sheets. Let me show you that it works. Greet me as an old colleague from the university. All right, let's see what happens. And now I'm going to type equals GPT, and then in this case it's A3, enter. Okay, so you can see it picked up on the prompt university here, and it carried it over into the conversation there. Now, LangChain has a number of really cool tools. You should check it out. LangChain. There's lots going on there. It's hard to keep up. They're very, very active in development. And one of the things that they offer is a template. Now, I looked at the code here and I said, yeah, this is a very simple code, and it's basically concatenation because they're using here. You can see that they are using effectively what amounts to as an F string right here. So they're using the input variables product, and Google has something similar to that kind of chaining with concatenation. So I went ahead and generated a new one here. You'll see I just took this example, literally copy pasted this example, and then I put in my particular product. I concatenated A1 to B1, A1 to B1. Here is the prompt in all of its beauty. And then I ran the ChatGPT against the prompt right there. And I don't want it to do that. So now let's go ahead and do the same thing. And let me see if I can get it to stop. Okay. So now let's do the same thing. And I'm going to copy this, just copy it straight down. And now I'm going to change this from fur coat, which of course got some people's attention. And now I'm going to, what is a good name for a company that makes, let's say, interactive agents that have deep technical understanding of pressure valves. There we go, just for fun. Here we go. This is the product, a random product that just came up with it. I have no idea. I mean, I know what a pressure valve is. Let's see how well ChatGPT can handle this. So I go to equal, and then I'm going to call the function GPT. And now, in this case, it's C2. And you can see that the concatenation has already been done down here. I hit the enter key. And well, valve tech, sure, that's a great example. Let's go ahead and create a different template though, because this is a template. This is the basis, and here is what the product that I wanted to make, and here is the concatenated version of it, and this is the result. Now I can take all of this and replay it and build something else. So here is my template, and we'll just call it template for giggles. And in my template, let's say create a recipe that is healthy and nutritious and easy to make. Give step by step instructions. Use these ingredients. All right, so that's my template. And there's my template. And now I'm going to type ingredients here. And we'll just put concat up there just so you know what's going on. And then GPT output goes here. All right, so ingredients will be eggs, bananas, and we'll say onions. All right. Now I'm going to concatenate all of that. Concatenate, uncat A2, B2. Look at that. Finally, Google Sheets is starting to learn a little bit about how I code or write code. And there it is. So now you'll remember that my prompt over here gave specific examples. That's great. I'm not going to do that here, but we are going to see if it can handle these ingredients and generate a recipe. Yes, right there it says give step-by-step instructions, and that's what we're going to do. So GPT and then C2. Enter. It'll take a few seconds for it to think about. Okay, so we have, let's see if it gave plenty of instructions. Let me whack that out a little bit so I can see what's going on here. Actually, if I click that, oh, no, it's not actually going to show that here. Da, 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 da. Okay, so a little trick you might know too, when I load this sheet again, it's going to rerun this request to ChatGPT, which means it's going to hit my API, which means I'm going to get charged for it. So what I tend to do is, for example, I'll go to my target sheet, control, you can see here, it's set GPT A1. So control A to select it all, and now Control C, and then Control Shift V, which was only the values. So now I've removed the formula and I just preserve the values. And you can see I do the same thing here. Actually, you can see C2, Control A, Control C, Control Shift V, and you can now see that the formula has been replaced. And we'll do the same here. Control A, Control C, Control Shift V, and there is my cell minus all of the code, the function call. So crack the eggs into a bowl, whisk until combined, peel and mash banana in a separate bowl, heat and blah, 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 add mixture egg to the Vancouver until the eggs start to set. Spread the mash over the one fork and cook for a further 2 to 3 until omelet is cooked through. Serve the omelet warm with your favorite toppings. Okay, a banana omelet. Yay. So there it is. That's how you can use Google Sheets to do some of this templating that LangChain suggests. I suggest you check out LangChain. I suggest you check out Google Sheets GPT because it's fast, it's dirty, it works. Thanks for watching and happy computing.